Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Good morning kids. Today is a fresh Monday morning special. Today learn from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go kids. A for apple. B for boat. C for clock. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. F for fox. G for gorilla. H for hedgehog. I for iguana. J for joker. K for king. L for leaf. M for mushroom. N for numbat. O for owl. P for pomegranate. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for spider. T for tractor. U for unicorn. V for volcano. W for windmill. X for Xmas tree. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. Great job! You learned all the alphabet from A to Z. Thank you kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning.